Hi, this is Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today is on Monday's upload. This is the week of Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone in the USA. God bless, be safe. I am not sure if I'll be here Wednesday for the upload. It depends on my schedule and family situation, but if not, have a happy Thanksgiving and God bless. Today we're going to do a quick recipe, Nacho Tacos. It's a really good thing you can make for your kids or even for yourself. Good for lunch, any treat while you watch Netflix. So on today's recipe, I already made the taco meat right here. The thing you're going to want to do is take canola oil, spray that. Put your meat of your choice in there. Use fire roasted tomatoes and try to find a taco seasoning. And then once you add that into there, you're going to have that nice mix. And you could use that for the tacos. If you're not making tacos, you can use this in anything. So for the rest of the recipe, we got this cheese, queso. We got tomato, lettuce. We got the tacos, of course. We got the black olives. So today is a quick recipe, and let's get started. It's really quick. If you already have the meat cooked, it's only 5 minutes. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, I'll demonstrate with 2 tacos so it's easier for us. I got the tacos, lettuce, tomato, taco, meat, black olives, and I got cheese. If you want it, you could also add onion into this, but I'm going to skip it. So the thing you're going to want to do is just fill both of these tacos with meat. Fill them with meat, and then we'll go to the toppings. Alright, so you see that the meat is in there. You can load these up any preference you want. So just stick the lettuce in there. And then the thing is, take your olives and start throwing some olives in there. So throw your olives in there. So put your lettuce in and then your olives. Then we'll top it with the tomatoes and then we'll put the cheese on, because it'll be a lot better if the cheese is on the top of the tomatoes. Alright, so we have the taco meat in there, the lettuce and the olives. Like I said, if you wanted to put sorry, it's really hard to keep these straight and fill them at the same time. But if you want it, you could put lettuce in there if you want. So now just fill both of these with tomatoes. And if you really think about it, it's kind of like a taco salad, but you're making it in the taco and then you're going to put the queso cheese. So it's basically like a nacho. So yeah, just take the tomato and fill both of those. Alright, so you can see that we have everything filled. You can see the tomato and the olives are in there. Now we got this left over. The thing if you want to do is take this and put it in with your meat. The leftovers. Just mix this up a bit. And you can have this later on. Make whatever you want with it. Top it with anything. It's your choice. So basically now we're going to just take this cheese and we're going to pour the cheese over top. So you see the nice color? There's your nacho tacos. So it's really easy. Only thing we have to do is use our imagination and everything comes together. So I hope you enjoyed this quick recipe. Now these things will be great. They're great for kids. And thanks for visiting my channel. I came to you in 4K today. I'm not sure if I'll be here Wednesday for the upload. If not, maybe I can do something Thursday for Thanksgiving. I'm not sure. If not, I will see you Friday. God bless. Enjoy your holiday, and I'll be bringing you many more ideas in the future. I have a lot of things to make with pasta and shrimp and tomatoes. So I'm going to be bringing pasta recipes, shrimp recipes, and other things. So Batman out. Peace.